السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعزائي طلاب الصف الأول. Hello, dear students of grade 1. In this video, we are going to answer the enrichment activities. Let's start with the listening activities. It says here, listen and number the pictures. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, we have 3 pictures right here. You have to number them. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let's start. 1. So that means you have to write number 1. 1. It is an elephant. So this is the elephant. We write here 1. 2. This is my cat. 3. It is a snake. So we write number 3. So 1, 2, 3. All right. The second activity is the same. Look at the pictures. 1. Tiger. 2. It is a cat. 3. This is a horse. So this is 1, 2, 3. All right. Now the next activity, it says listen and circle the correct letter. So we have to listen and circle the correct letter. Here we have letters. Number 1, there are 3 letters. Number 2, there are also 3 letters, and it is the same with 3 and 4. All right, let's do it. Number 1, R. Number 2, C. Number 3, T. Number 4, K. All right, let's move on. All right, it says here listen and tick. Listen and tick. Okay, in number 1, there are 3 pictures. In number 2, there are also 3 pictures, and it is the same with number 3. So you have to listen and take the picture, the correct one. Number 1, my hat. My hat. Number 2, this is a nose. Number 3, cake. That's how you do it. All right, let's move on. It is the same. You have to listen and take. Number 1, I like apples. I like apples. Number 2, this is a nest. This is a nest. Number 3, Tima is a cat. Tima is a cat. So this is the cat. All right, let's move on. Here we come to the second part of the enrichment, which has to do with reading activities. As you can see here, we have a matching activity. Look, read, and match. We have here letters. We have to match them to the correct picture. A goes to ant. S goes to snake. 3, we have N goes to nose. K goes to kite. And the letter T, as you can see, goes to tiger. That's nice. All right. Let's do this activity, which is about circling the correct word. You have to look at the picture and read the words and circle the correct picture of the word. Here we have 5. Now, when you read, you have to know the correct picture and circle the correct word and circle it. A 5, B 3. So this is 5. Number 2, we have A bag, B bike, and this is a bike. So we circle B. 3, A kangaroo, B rabbit, and we have here the picture of a kangaroo. So circle A. Now number 4, A table, B chair. Here we have the picture of a chair. So we circle chair, B. Number 5, A white, B black, and this is the color white. All right, let's move on. Now here we have a yes/no activity. It says look, read, and circle yes or no. So you have to look at the picture, then read the word or the phrase. If the phrase is about the picture, then the answer is yes. But if the phrase or the sentence is not about the picture, so you have to circle no. Let's do number 1. So this is the picture of stand up, and here we have stand up. So it is yes. Number 2, it's a table. Here the picture is not a table, it's a bag. So we circle no. Number 3, my pencil. And this is a picture of a pencil, so it is yes. Number 4, sit down. And here we have the picture of clap your hands. So it is no. All right, now the third part of the enrichment has to do with writing. We have writing activities going on here. So this activity has to do with your handwriting. Your handwriting must be good or as good as possible. So you have to read and copy. We have the letter N, you have to copy it this way, the right way, between the lines. And also we have here ink, H, 1. So wherever the word, you have to write it with good handwriting. Okay, let's move on. This is interesting. All right. Fill in the gaps. We have here a word bank and which has 4 words, and we have here 3 gaps. So one word is extra. You have not to use it. Let's read the word. 2, apple, teacher, rabbit. Now look at the pictures first and then read the sentences. I have got pencils. So I can see here 2 pencils. So all I have to do is to write 2. And this is the word 2. I write 2. All right. Now, this is my teacher. This is the word teacher. I just write it here. And the third picture or gap, it is an apple. So I write here apple this way. Okay. Now the next activity also you have to write the name of the pictures. Okay, look and write. So we have here word banks. Or word box. Rabbit, bag, tiger. Now, this is the picture of bag. This is rabbit, and this is a tiger. So we'll start with the word number 1. Rabbit. So we have here rabbit, and this is the rabbit. So we write here rabbit. Now, word number 2, bag. This is the bag. 3, tiger. This is the tiger. All right, let's move on. Okay, this activity is different a little bit from the one above. In this activity, you have to write the name of the pictures from your mind. Okay, there, as you can see, there are no word box here. So you have to label them by yourself. So by looking at this picture, this is the picture of ant. So you have to write here ant. Now here we have kite. And here we have egg. And here we have one. Now we come to the last question, which is about writing your name. It says here, write your name. So you have to write only your first name. My name is, then you write your name here. Only the first name. At the end, you have to practice writing these words. So you maybe will be able to write them by heart. Thank you very much. We come to the end of this video. I hope you all the best. Thank you very much.